In today's video, I will show you all how to recreate the embellishments done on this gorgeous outfit made by Vicky James. If you'll be interested, please continue to watch. For this work, you need two different types of crystal beads. I'm using the red and this wine colored crystal beads. You need your beading needle and thread. I'm using my invisible thread. You'd also be using your thread snipper as well as this tambour hoop and illusion net. This is my fabric pencil. I'm just here showing you all how to sharpen a fabric pencil. I just feel like it's something that someone might be interested in knowing all about. So all you're doing is just peeling the paper that is typically around the fabric pencil, and then you have it as good as new. This is me just drawing out the illustration of the pattern that I'll be beading on for the sake of this tutorial. We have something similar to this going on that dress, and we would see as we go along in this video. We would also be working on a spiral design. This particular beading pattern was done along the bust/shoulder area of this outfit. I will share with us as we go along in today's video. So for this spiral line, we are just doing the straight beading pattern on the spiral line. For this portion of the video, I'll keep quiet just to allow you guys watch everything I'm doing closely and replicate on your own project. If you have questions as we go along in this video, please don't hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section. I would attend to your question as soon as possible. Also, if you're not subscribed, now will be a fabulous time to hit that subscribe button. If this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. My name is Funmibi Olawore. I'm a fashion enthusiast based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I like to come on my channel weekly to share videos surrounding beading and embellishment, fashion design, self-improvement and development, and a bunch of different things that I think my viewers would find interesting. If any of these things that I've mentioned sounds fabulous to you, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Feel free to also drop a comment in the comment section to let me know that you just subscribed so I can give you a warm welcome to the channel. Also, please remember to hit the like button. It's your way of supporting me. If you'll be interested in being a member of this channel as well, please feel free to click on the join button that you have on your screen, or just go through the link that I pinned at the beginning of the description bar. Alright guys, I'm going to keep quiet, allow you guys watch, and then I'll come back to talk to you sometime soon as we go along in this video.
Alright friends, so this is what we have so far. Can we see how this looks? So imagine recreating this style of embellishment on like the sleeve of an outfit. Okay, and for people that might have questions, oh, if I'm going to bead this on a sleeve, how do I go about it? So one thing that I've noticed that a lot of fashion designers do is they basically place the sleeve of the outfit on a mannequin if you have a mannequin that has arms, or you create something that looks like a pipe and then wrap that pipe with either paper or tape, sellotape now, and then wear the sleeve, or wear the sleeve of the wear the sleeve of your outfit on that pipe and start to bead on it. This entire process has some technicalities to it, but I'm sure you guys will be able to figure it out. So you wear the sleeve on something that is wrapped already, so it allows you be able to manipulate and pass your needle and thread through in order to create something very neat. So if we're looking at the design that we are trying to replicate in today's video, you see that after they created the outline, the spiral outline, you now go ahead to bead again in between using a different shade of bead. All right, so this time I'm going to use my red crystal beads here. My crystal beads are in size 4. They are really tiny, so you can decide to basically tweak the size of crystal bead that you're using. It's up to you. So I'm going to go ahead now to use my red beads, this one that I showed you guys just now, to basically embellish this inner portion. I'm going to move really quickly. I don't know how long this video is, but I'm trying to make things as straight to the point as possible. The next step we'll also do is to bead on this spiral line that I have going on up here. Okay, I might not talk through the entire process. I'll do my best to give you guys good angles just so you see exactly what I'm doing. If you've not hit the like button, please do well to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. Feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. Let's get back into it. Alright guys, so this is the spiral like type of beading going on along the knee slash, yeah, the knee slash hip, under hip area of this outfit. I'm going to put a picture of the outfit on the screen. So we have this kind of spiral pattern going on at the lower portion of the dress. So if you want to recreate something like this, you just draw your pattern, of course, on your plain fabric, and then go ahead to start creating your straight beading along the lines that you've drawn out. And this style of beading is what we have going on along the sleeves of the outfit and the shoulder area. I'm just going to leave the picture on the screen so we can also do some analysis of our own. In this inner portion of this spiral situation that we have, this leaf-like situation that we have here, you can still go ahead to use something like these red beads. I could have easily gone ahead to use my red beads to also still bead this inner portion, but for the sake of time, I just wanted to wrap up this video really quickly. So make the changes where necessary in your own case. My job is just to show the basics, the foundational knowledge required for recreating certain types of beading patterns on your designs. I hope you found this video valuable. And also with this spiral situation here, another thing you can incorporate in your own case is rhinestone cord. Okay, so imagine for this outfit that Vicky made, if she used a matching red color of rhinestone cord to just create that spiral situation at the base of the outfit, by gluing and also tacking down the spiral cord on the outfit, it will also give what it's supposed to give. I've used this in a previous tutorial in the past. For those that have been on this channel for a long time, they already know how this works, but for those that are new here, let me just bring this really close to you. This is what we call rhinestone cord. Okay, some people call it rhinestone pipe. Honestly, the names are endless, but what you can do is to take a screenshot, take this to your sewing accessories shop or sewing accessories vendor and ask them if they have it for sale. It's pretty in vogue at the moment. A lot of designers are using this in their craft. All right, so for the other beading patterns that we have going on this outfit, we have the straight beading going on from the bust area all the way to the half length. I'm just going to allow you to do all the analysis. Feel free to pause at this point and take a look at the outfit. For the straight beading pattern on the dress, I have a separate tutorial. I'm going to link it on the show notes for you. Feel free to go check out that tutorial and practice. We have sequins, crystal beads, and broken glass beads going on this outfit, and it was done very tastefully. I also think I see some cup chain going on the outfit. A lot is going on. If you're not following Vicky James, go check out her page on Instagram and watch the behind the scene footage that she shared on her page. I hope we all enjoyed today's video. If we did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. If you have questions regarding what you just watched, feel free to drop those in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and become a part of this community. We are on our way to 100,000 subscribers. That's the goal for the first half of 2025, and I really hope that you guys join me on this journey. Feel free to share my videos with your friends, and yeah, friends, I can't wait to see you all in another video very soon. Bye.